Hey, y'all, been a while.
Been a while.
But Mukbang is back.
So, thank you, Edison. Okay.
I've been eating already, bro.
I'm gonna get in. I'm eating out tonight, y'all. What's going on?
You still got it on.
Already blessed.
Steak.
Mm.
I want to see the polar bit of mushrooms on that bad boy.
What's on there?
Got me some corn, some cabbages, fried cabbage.
Oh,
They
no.
sliced up the mushrooms. Okay.
That'll
I
work.
got a little excited when she said a portobello mushroom steak. I'm like,
oh,
oh.
did. I heard you, baby. I'm like, well, dang. It's from me to you. Happy to see you had some.
I'm leaving. I'm
I got
excited.
excited too when I heard that portobello.
I'm like,
Oh, baby,
ooh.
supposed to get blessed. You supposed to get treated tonight. It wasn't even about it, but that's how it go down.
And they're going to say they put it over a steak.
Mm.
Now forget the steak.
Oh, wait.
What kind of soup you got?
Cream of something. Chicken.
Like chicken.
Mhm.
Cream or something.
Oh, let's stash it about 3 hours.
They fries.
Breakfast been long gone. That's all I had.
I still got my bowl from Peter and Bo.
You still got your
I
bowl?
got full.
Want some bread, baby? I'm that famous. Oh, Jay. If Jay was just here, help me with this.
No, I got some of my own bread over there.
What you got, hombre?
Set that up.
Hombre, what you
My
got?
bread.
What bread you got? Oh, yeah. Oh, I can take it easy.
With my cinnamon rolls.
Mhm.
Homemade vegan.
We eat vegan, y'all. I'm a vegan again.
Yeah. The sweets you had no problem eating.
Again, y'all. This woman, love her to death. My baby.
I don't know why I got 2 forks, but
Because you doing devil work.
I do. Got some
Alright,
cauliflower
let's see
peel
what
over
this.
in here.
Yeah, you ain't playing with this. You was ready to, ain't you, baby? Mm-hmm. Portobello mushroom on point.
Got onions too.
Mm-hmm. Tommy cooked to stay big as his plate.
T-bone.
Porterhouse.
I ain't never looked at their steaks.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, big like that.
Big old boy.
You gonna cook them right now.
We about got it. We about to get it. Mm-hmm. They be cooking them too, boy. Because they went for breakfast last week.
They want for breakfast.
Mm-hmm. They want to be like the
Hey,
other
you
day.
don't
Just
wanna,
get one of them.
Spend your money on a steak and you don't know how to cook it right.
Right.
Be tough. Oh no.
Yeah, I just show them. And I did them down there that one time. They messed up everything. Lots of pee, y'all. Baby, you want your spring beans? Here, girl. Shoot, now I'm sick of you. Cheryl's gonna do the ultimate challenge, guys. Come on, babe. Babe, one bang, bang. This what you missing.
It ain't gonna be the ice cream game.
You want the other one?
It ain't gonna be none of them.
Make my fingers get cold, girl.
They don't have this flavor that I'm looking for. Them just probably sauteed in some oil.
Steam, but still cold. Can I have a paper towel? You got me licking my fingers in front of my friends.
You always looking at your friends.
I don't let my fingers do it, y'all. I don't know. I be getting
You
down.
be getting down. You be licking them fingers. I lick my fingers if I have to. I don't care. They lick their fingers too.
Okay, that means it's good. Fam, I gotta turn y'all on to something.
The rice is good.
Hold on a minute. New conjunction I found. Oh, my wife loves it. Oh, she loves it. Her son loves it more. Baby, tell them what you got, baby. Today's flavor.
No. Today's
Strawberry
flavor.
lemonade.
He bought some Simply Lemonade.
Mm.
I'm getting his doctor on it.
One good
Yeah,
packet
come
of
over.
Kool-Aid. I had to try it. I said it alive. It is good. So, man, taking freezer. Ooh, y'all remember them
Tastes
ices
different.
back in the day? The ones with the flavor in it that taste like water. It's good too.
Oh, good.
Strawberry lemonade. Fine. Strong, bold flavor.
Good.
No sugar added.
No sugar. So for what's in the
Got
lemonade,
enough
Mom?
in it, yeah.
I'm sure you got enough.
And just balance it right out. Man, I was gonna eat tuna today. And I got hungry. Stoney got the cooking up in there.
You smelling that steak?
He tried to get me to get one. I'm like, I don't want nothing heavy. Our boy got the smelling good. With them onions up in there. I'm like, I gotta get
Boy,
up out
y'all
of here.
stunning.
I said, I gotta get up out of here, y'all.
Stunning something like a chef. I can't wait for my baby to taste these cinnamon rolls.
You said they vegan? The last one was good, though.
Don't eat them.
Wait a minute now.
I'll take care of them.
I want you to eat that whole pan. No, that ain't good.
It ain't gonna happen too often. Why did I say room?
Yeah, that's
Eat
right.
this later. That's so good.
Want some broccoli? Cauliflower?
I would, but it's been rubbing together with them beans.
Baby. You say you ate some beans too?
Something about them string beans do something to me. Turn my stomach.
It's all in your imagination, baby. All in your imagination. Hey, baby, what's that pasta you got going on there?
It's cabbage.
Oh.
Maybe John Michael. Cabbage. Cabbage. I'm gonna just put the red sauce in there and rotel.
Oh, okay, that's what that is.
Tomato paste. Yeah,
Tomato
just
paste.
docked it on. It's good.
Oh, yeah, we been rolling. Baby had it.
Went to see J-Plex. He was getting it.
Doodles to my baby.
24 points. My brother was there talking junk. Go around her. She can't hold you. I said, oh, Lord. He knows. As soon as he say something, she gonna go ahead and just... They a mess.
That coach is like, who is that?
We a little bit loud in the game.
Baby.
We a little bit loud in the game.
Thank you. That's better.
To the announcer was laughing, talking about he enjoyed us heckling. Well, no, we don't be necessarily heckling.
What?
We just be cheering our kids on. He might heckle a little bit. Girl at the freaking line, and he gonna tell her the basket moving. Like, come on now.
Rick.
She missed, but some of those girls have some awful attitudes, which that irritates me though. Because as a coach, you should be trying to work on your kids' attitude. They may have all the talent in the world, but you putting up with that kind of garbage, talking back to the refs, and one of the girls tried to kick one of our girls in the head when she was down. Like,
just get a little upset.
What are you doing? It's basketball.
It's a butt whooping.
Then if you want to go play at a different division and they come back and see what type of attitude you play with over here, they don't want you. They watch that game and go, oh, she got a bad attitude. They'd rather find somebody who might not have as much talent, but have a great attitude and a hard worker and leave you right on boo boo boo. So talk to your kids. They gotta be mindful. They have to,
respect goes a long way.
Because it's a basketball game. You win some, you lose some. But they don't need to be ignorant about it. Being poor attitude.
Win it all.
We had a coach didn't shake our coach hand after the game. How you gonna teach the kids good sportsmanship and you ain't got none? Don't need to be coaching.
That's what they teach you.
Don't need to be coaching.
Yeah, them girls was ready to fight, bro. They thought they had it going on. We need to go watch that game.
Yeah, we watch it tonight. Trying to figure out how to get back on. So.
See exactly what happened.
They was a little angry.
Angry. A little bit.
It's a game. I mean, you
just start playing
not
soccer.
Oh yeah.
Kicking and everything. They do.
We just be there to support our baby and her teammates. We don't be just about her. And we love all the girls. And we have a good time watching all of them get out.
Cheer them all on. What you doing? Something?
We be loud,
We be doing something.
We be cheering. We got our own cheers.
So what did you think about the cheerleaders? It was loud.
We try to out loud the cheerleaders.
They started stomping.
I don't know why our cheerleaders just annoy me during the game. I mean, it's nothing wrong with them. I'm glad they're doing their stuff, but
Your grandbaby gonna be doing?
I'm just like, check out. I'm trying to yell at the game. I want them to hit me, not y'all. But good job, cheerleaders. They're doing it now. But when they cheer, it's hot up in here, whatever. I'll be like, it's cold in here. Y'all ain't making no baskets. No. We just be cheering. It's okay.
You hear the heckler, right?
I don't be heckling. We just be cheering for our team. He messed with the refs. They be laughing at him like, why you messing with the refs?
Baby, what do you mean mess with the ref? I don't know what you're talking about.
He's not even close to the court and he making jokes with the refs. Like, come on now. His voice carries.
That refs can't hear me way out there.
Why he look at you and start laughing when you say something?
I think the sun was in his eye.
Oh, okay. You and Darius.
You think they can hear us? Baby, don't tell me that.
They hear us, honey.
Let's say that.
And we made sure. Well, I'm gonna come back and call my baby trying this cinnamon roll because I'm so interested. I'm thinking when I eat my other one. I mean, when I eat one, I'm gonna sprinkle
I knew it was one missing.
sprinkle some nuts on it.
I wasn't gonna say nothing.
Ooh.